Gotta hurry up. We've already been on here for a long time. 8.3D, here is an equation, and they want to know so they graphed this on the grid. Which ordered pair is in the solution set of this? So they have the line for us, and they're telling us they want this to be greater than or equal to is the sign here. So let's see what we can figure out on this one. Okay, I just want to put this in y equals mx plus b form just to double check. And so if we have 0.5x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 3, we move the x. And then we have negative 2y is greater than or equal to 3 minus 0.5x. We need to divide everything by a negative 2, which gives us the rule for the inequalities. If you divide all sides, both sides by a negative, you need to change your sign. You need to flip it. So we have negative 3 over 2 plus 0.5 over 2x. And since they graphed it already, let's see. This is really a mess. So in this case, it might be easier to plug in the answers. I'm going to put it in the calculator just to be sure. Y equals, and it is less than or equal to, so we need to change this. Whoops. I'm just trying to see if this line is graphed on here. I don't understand how this could be that line because, let's see, well, that would be negative 1.5. And if we, oh, I see. If we go up a half and over 2, so this is the line, so we don't need to put that in there. So this is the y-intercept, which is negative 3 divided by 2 is negative 1/2, negative 1.5. And then we're going to go up a half and over 2. 1, 2. There it is. Up a half and over 2. Got it. Okay. And since we flip the sign, it's going to be shaded underneath. And we can go on and finish putting this in. Negative 3 divided by 2 plus 0.5 divided by 2. X, and we want to graph it. And that's exactly what we've done. So that looks great. And now we just need to see which works. So we have negative 2 and 0.5, which won't work. We have 2 and a 1. I'm sorry, wrong way. 2 and a 1 won't work. We have 2 and a negative 1, which works. And we have negative 2 and negative 0.5. So your answer is C. Which graph represents this solution set? Well, let's put it in here and see. Y equals, and we have greater than, so we need to change this symbol over here. Enter. And we did. So now we're going to put the equation in. And we're going to put in negative 7 divided by 2, x minus 2. Delete the rest of that. And we're going to hit graph. And here's our equation. We know this won't be it because it's shaded on the other side, same as here. It's going to be this one or this one, and since we have the greater than or equal to symbol, the line will be solid, and your answer is B. Okay, we're almost done. Bear with me. Just looking. Okay, here we go. The line graphed on the grid represents the first of two equations in a system of linear equations. If the graph of the second equation in the system passes through these points, so we have -12 and 20, I'm going to plot that here, and 4 and 12, here's a 4, here's a 12. I'm going to draw that line. If the graph of the second equation in the system passes through that, which statement's true? The only solution to the system is 10 and 5. Here's 10, and here's 5. That's not a solution. That's not it? No. The only solution to the system is 0 and 14. No, that's not it either. We're looking for this. The system has no solutions. The system has an infinite number of solutions. Well, let's see what has happened. So we are looking for -12. X is -12. And oh, I'm sorry, Y is 20. -12 and 20. There we go. Sorry, it's not this. Just seeing, yeah, here's one. Let's just use this. Let's start over. Here we go. So we have -12 and 20. Here we go. We have 4 and 12. So we're going to draw this. And we can see it's perfectly parallel. So therefore, the system has no solutions. C, because it's parallel. Okay, let's look at the next one. Which graph can be used to find the solution to the system of equations below? Well, first we got to get it in y equals mx plus b. So this one's easy. We're just going to subtract 2x on both sides. So we got that one done. So we have y equals -4 minus 2x. For the next one, we need to we just need to divide by -3. And that's going to give us y equals -2 over 3x minus 4. We can put this in the calculator and see what we get. Just to look, it looks like both of them have a y-intercept of -4, just observing, and so does this one. So we could stop there, but let's put it in the calculator. Y equals, we need to take this off, so I'm going to reset the calculator, second plus 712, because that'll do it. I'm going to hit y equals, I'm going to put -4 minus 2x in the calculator. I'm going to put -2 divided by 3x minus 4 in the calculator. I'm going to hit graph. And yes, just to double check, it is F. We did it. We're almost finished. Please bear with me. Okay, here's another one. You have a bus that travels two different routes, a green route and a blue route. The routes are different lengths. So, on Monday, the bus traveled the green route 6 times and the blue route 5 times. For a total of 52 miles. On Tuesday, the bus traveled the green route 12 times and the blue route 13 times, traveling a total of 119 miles. What is the length of the green route in miles? Well, let's see if we can solve this. Oh goodness, we got to put it in y equals mx plus b. Okay, to save time on this one, we're just, let's see how many more we have. Well, I guess we can do it. I'm making a video. Well, the answer is G, and just for time's sake, I'm just going to multiply. I'm going to just put this in. Well, we can't do it that way either. Okay, let's just, let's go on and do it. Negative 6x on that side, negative 6x on this side. So this gives us 5y equals 52 minus 6x. Divide everything by 5. And we're going to get y equals 52 over 5 minus 6 over 5x. On this side, we're going to subtract the 12x. And that gives us 13y equals 119 minus 12x. Divide everything by 13. We're going to get y equals 119 divided by 13 minus 12 over 13x. It's looking kind of weird. Let's see if we get it right. Y equals, I'm going to put in 119 divided by 13 minus 12 divided by 13x. Enter. 52 divided by 5, good grief, minus 6 divided by 5x. I'm going to hit second, trace, 5, and we will probably need to zoom in, maybe. Enter, enter, enter. Nope, 4.5. We did it. That's a miracle. The answer is G. Okay, here's another one. What is the value of x in this solution? Yay, this one's already done for us. We just need to do this one, and all we have to do is minus 2x on both sides. And that will give us y equals negative 1 minus 2x. Let's put it in the calculator. This is more like it. Y equals, I'm going to clear that big thing out and put negative 1 minus 2x, enter. Then I'm going to put 1 divided by 2x plus 4. And let's delete the rest of that. I'm going to hit second, trace, 5, enter, whoops. You never enter until the words are down there. See, I messed up the calculator. I'm going to hit second off. I'm going to turn it back on. I'm going to hit y equals. And it's still in there. So, good. So I'm going to hit second, trace, 5. I'll be patient. Here we go. Enter, enter, enter. And we know our x is negative 2. So our answer is G. And finally, is this the last one? Nope, next to last, we're almost there. Lots of examples on here. A manager purchased a total of 20. Okay guys, I almost made it to the end, but the iPad quit working, so here's the last two questions. So we have a manager that purchased coffee mugs and keychains, and the mugs are $8.50, the keychains are $2.75, a total of $132.50. How many mugs did they purchase? Let's figure it out. So we have X plus Y equals 21. Then we also have $8.50 X plus $2.75Y equals $132.50. We need to get both of these, and Y equals MX plus B. So let's do that. X plus Y equals 21. Move the X. We're done with this one. Y equals 21 minus X. On this side, we need to move the X. Minus 8.50x, and that gives us 2.75y equals 132.50 minus 850x. Divide everything by 275. Good grief, this is crazy. And we're going to get our answer. So let's put it in the calculator. I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to hit y equals, well, second plus 712 in case I had to do something differently. Y equals, let's put this one in. We have 21 minus x. We're going to hit enter. On this side, we have y equals 132.50 divided by 2.75 minus 8.50 divided by 2.75 X. I'm going to hit second trace 5. Probably going to have to zoom in because the numbers are so large. And yes, so let's do that. Quit. I'm going to hit zoom. I'm going to hit 3 and I'm going to hit enter. Now I have an intersection. So let's do it again. Y equals second trace 5, enter, enter, enter. And we know they're going to buy 13 coffee mugs. Last question. What's the solution to the system? Yay, this is in y equals. This one's not, but that's no problem. 10x minus y equals 53 minus 10x on both sides. That gives us negative y equals 53 minus 10x. Multiply everything by negative 1 to give us y equals negative 53 plus 10x. Let's put these in and get done. Y equals, we have negative 53 plus 10x. Enter. Clear that thing out. Let's clear that out. And we have, I'm going to put parentheses here just for safety, but I think it might work better with them. So negative 13x plus 92, close it, divided by 2. Hit second trace 5. Intersection, enter, enter, enter. And we know our x. Well, they want them both, so the solution is 6 and 7. And that's what we have here for A. And that'll do it, guys. We made it through the end. I appreciate your patience. We'll keep reviewing and we will test Thursday. Thank you guys for watching.